Hello everyone, welcome to Learn Sentence with Biology. Today we will learn Grade 10 Bio, Chapter 2, Cell Structure and Organization. Let's begin with lesson. Cell organization. Atoms are organized into molecules. Molecules into organelles. Organelles into cells. Cells are divided into several compartments called organelles. Each with a characteristic structure, biochemical composition and function. According to the cell theory, all living things are composed of one or more cells. As unicellular and multicellular organisms. Quiz time. How many did you get right? In unicellular organisms, the single cell performs all life functions independently. In multicellular organisms, various levels of organization are present. There are 5 levels of organization in multicellular organisms: cells, tissues, organs, organ system and organisms. Cells are the simplest level of organization. Specialized cells show division of labor by being grouped into tissues. The tissues may be further grouped into organs, and the organs into systems. Each tissue, organ or system has a particular function. Quiz time. You have completed today's lessons. Don't forget to subscribe for more lessons. See you next time.